Okay, quick video. New Amazon DeLonghi that I bought. Got it last week. It was packed very poorly. It doesn't always go on when it's supposed to, and it's sparking in the control mechanism. When I turn the thermostat, which is this right here, you'll be able to see sparks on the back. We'll go back there real quick. And if you look in that dark hole right there, you'll see those sparks. See that? See that? I'm doing it several times so you can see that it's happening. Electrical switches shouldn't do that. Okay, I'm going to be returning this, and I may or may not buy a replacement, depending upon what the company says.
This thing retails for about $100. They couldn't afford to put better wheels on this. This is cheap-ass plastic. I'm going to have to take the wheels off my other one and put them on here. Jesus.